Ayan, narito po yung pag-unbox na ating in-order sa Lazada nung nag-sale sila June 6, 2020. Isa na dito yung phone cases ng ating cellphone. Bali, dalawang case ang nabili ko. So, yung una from XICCI official store. Ito yung XICCI wallet phone case for Samsung S8 Plus, magnetic 360 retro leather, credit card, money slot back cover for Samsung S8 Plus. So I will just put the price and the link on the description down below. Okay, so umpisahan natin. Ayun na, bukas natin. So galing pa siyang China, kaya matagal. Today lang siya dumating, June 19. Oh my god, mukhang maganda siya. Oh, may letter pa sila. May thank you letter. Ayan, thank you letter. Apa? Saya, diba? Ang galing, may thank you letter pa. Mukhang maganda siya, no? Nakalagay dito, Dear buyer, thank you for choosing XICCI official store. We will provide the best quality service and the best price, and also welcome friends to give us valuable comments when you receive the goods. Please give us if you are satisfied, like up 5 stars. If you have any questions about the goods, please contact us in time. Please do not rush to give a bad evaluation. This is very important to us. We will help you deal with the problem in time. Please follow XICCI official store. We will send small gifts to followers from time to time. Please give 5 stars. Galing. Ganda siya. Fairness. So, ito na. Wow! Galing siyang China. Nasa plastic pa siya. Ganda. Excited talaga. So, product ko. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya mapifit sa phone. Gamit ko yung phone sa pag-video. Okay lang. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Oh, ganyan siya. Tapos ganyan yung likod. Pwede siyang tumayo. Ayan. Ganda. Gawin natin to. Yung price sa description ko ilalagay. Tsaka yung link sa Lazada, okay, kung saan store siya nabili. Ayan na siya, guys. So ganda. Hindi lang to basta para sa S8 Plus. Marami pang ibang phone na pwede sa yung fit sa phone nyo. Okay? Wow. Yeah. Ganda. Mga quality talaga siya. Bango. At least sa wakas mapapalitan ko na rin yung clear case na gamit ko sa phone, kasi ever since isa lang talaga yung case ng phone ko, tapos nasira na, and after that clear case na lang yung ginagamit ko, yung libre dun sa mula nung nabili ko siya ng 2017. So yung phone ko magti 3 years na, Samsung S8 Plus. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya mapapalitan. Wala akong pera. Well, this is the compartment for your cards. You have 3 cards. And also for cash. So cards, cash if you want to put some cash here. And I think this is very what do you call that? The quality is present. What's shown here? So there you go, Samsung S8 Plus cover. It's magnetic, ha? Okay, so yan lang for now. I will just make the other video for the other unboxing of the other product. So yan lang. Wow, yeah, I'm satisfied with the product. I will put the link on the description and the price. Thank you so much for watching. And hello, very good. Thank you, bye.